Alright guys, this is room 166. 6166. It's a 50% obstructed view. Let's go inside. Alright. And here's the room.
Oh, it's already separated.
Okay. And let's see how much that obstruction is. Here we go. We're going to go out to the balcony because this is a 50% obstructed balcony. That's the key. And there it is. We don't have that in front of us, but you have the top of the lifeboats. But otherwise, I think you'll be able to see stuff. And then the top of the lifeboats is right on the railing here. Could use a good washing, but otherwise, let's take a look at the rest of the room. But that is a 50%. They call this a 50% obstructed balcony. Okay, this class we have the storage. Okay, above the bed, nice. And we have two cupboards opening, and that one has the safe with the closet and a pull-out drawer on the bottom. The full couch, no storage above, but the desk and the mirror, you have good storage. And I believe there is a chill refrigerator that looks like a lock, but there you go, and that works pretty well. And then the mirror right there, we're not going to do that. And then the door again. And then here's the other closet, deep with hangers and some racks. I don't know what that's about. But let's take a look at the restroom. There you go. Full shower, toilet, standard, and of course the mirror. Okay. And a sink. So that is what room 6166, 50% obstruction on the Quantum class ship looks like. Thank you. Oh, looks like it used to be, you couldn't make this one an adjoining room. So if you had a multiple family, you could open that and you could have an adjoining facility with your family. But again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and let's enjoy this vacay. Take care, everyone. Bye now.